update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note, and thereafter the selling pressure from yesterday continued, and the Nifty ended the day on a negative note, down 39 points. The market breadth was negative with 311 advances to 1173 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Reliance ONGC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Maruti, Tata Motors were some of the major drivers, while the IT pack, that is TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, the defense, the pharma, the FMCG pack, ITC, HUL, and Bajaj Auto and Coal India managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after the sharp fall in yesterday's trading session, the selling pressure continued even today. In today's trading session, the Nifty opened gap down. Thereafter, the Nifty did not see a sharp fall. However, it saw tranches of sharp falls. It was trading in a violent manner throughout the day. The stocks, in fact, saw huge declines in today's trading session also. So the selling pressure in stocks is continuing, which is evident from the fact that the mid cap and the small cap index are down or are outperforming on the downside as compared to the Nifty. So we are seeing a major selling pressure in the broader market. In today's trading session, the Nifty did not fall as much as the broad market. On the daily charts of Nifty, we can observe that it is currently trading near a crucial previous swing low of around 79.65, where a similar kind of a pattern has been formed. However, that needs to be confirmed in tomorrow's trading session, that since we don't have a daily positive close, and tomorrow's trading session will give us clues whether this support is holding or there is still more further downside in Nifty. We expect this support to hold, and our short-term target is also placed at around 79.65. That is our short-term target, and today's low was around 79.97. So our sense is that we are reaching crucial levels on the downside. Until and unless other things happen, we maintain our negative stance on Nifty for a target of 79.65. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that an ending diagonal kind of a structure has been forming on the hourly charts of Nifty. The hourly momentum indicator is showing a positive divergence, meaning that we could be in for a retracement in the coming trading sessions. However, since we don't have a daily positive close, this divergence should not be given that amount of weightage. Once we have a daily positive close, that would confirm that we have a positive divergence, and that would lead us to tell you that now the retracement is on the cards. Until and unless everything happens, this is not a good place to be in. The selling pressure is just not stopping. 79.65 on the downside remains a crucial level to watch out for. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty and banking stocks have been the main culprit of this fall, which we have been seeing since last couple of trading sessions. The Bank Nifty was down almost 2.5% for the day. After yesterday's fall, the selling pressure in Bank Nifty is just not stopping, and our sense is that it will reach it can reach 17,000 on the downside for Bank Nifty. In today's trading session, it touched a low of around 17,240. In tomorrow's trading session, if we see the Bank Nifty breaching today's low and sustaining for some time, then the selling pressure would continue in the Bank Nifty also. On the downside, 17,240 and 17,000 are crucial supports for the Bank Nifty. 17,533 and 17,750 are crucial resistances. So overall, when the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative, the selling pressure is more evident in the broader markets and in the Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. Nifty has reached crucial levels of around 8,000 in today's trading session and seen a bounce back. And our sense is that unless we get a daily positive close, the selling pressure should continue in the coming trading session, so we maintain a negative stance. 7997 and 7965 are crucial supports for Nifty. 8120 and 8190 are crucial resistances. So that's all for the day. Thank you.